Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can import your bookmarks and passwords and all those things from your Google Chrome while you are doing some Windows repairs like recovery and all those things. First of all, you have to go to your browser. This is my browser, Chrome browser. Then go to this button, click on this button. Click on bookmarks and then goes to the bookmark manager. Click on it. From here you again go to the organize. Click on it and here you have to click on the export bookmarks. Click on it. I selected desktop and then save. Now if you see on your desktop you see a file like this. This is the bookmark files stored for your bookmarks. It contains all your bookmarks information. When you are going to reutilize these bookmarks, simply go to your browser, click again on the organize button and then click on the import bookmarks and then select the file and then click on the open. The files shows again on your bookmark bar. This process is very simple for the other browsers like Firefox also. I have a Firefox already. There in Firefox you have to go to the bookmarks and then show all bookmarks. Then go to the import and backup. If you want to store your bookmarks, then you have to click on the backup. And if you want to reconnect the backup bookmarks from another file as already you stored it, then you choose file and then click on it. There your bookmarks will show again. For more